Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video, I will show you the best WordPress plugins which you can use for your blog or newspaper websites. So in this tutorial, I will show you step by step those plugins and their features and dashboards. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So this is my WordPress dashboard where I have my blog website where I will show you what type of plugin I use for my blogging website. So the first plugin we have I mostly use is called Lightspeed Cache. So let me go to dashboard of this plugin. So in this plugin it has different features for image optimization, page optimization, CDN bandwidth. If your hosting provider does not provide you CDN content delivery network that speed up your website and the way it compress your website pages, that's why your website load more faster. Then we have a low quality image placeholder, and you can see here in the cache status I have enabled all these caches: public cache, private cache, object and browser cache. So if I go to page optimization, I really like this option. In the page optimization, we have a CSS setting, JavaScript setting, HTML setting, media. If you want to lazy load your image, it will lazy load and your website page will open more faster. And if I go to image optimization, with the help of this, you will able to optimize your available image in the media and it will automatic optimize them. Just you have to visit image optimization setting and you have to choose the option you want to optimize original image, remove original backups, or if you want to keep those backups. So it will help you to improve your images as well. So if I go to database option, it will show you your website using and how heavy files working in the backend, where you will able to optimize your data by clean all data. It will definitely speed up your website as well. Sometime you have a multiple post revisions, or when you edit your website pages, it store some of the data in the backend. So with the help of database optimizer, you will able to optimize your database as well. The number 2 plugin we have a link whisper. So let me click on report. What this do, this will add and suggest you internal link of your website. This will help you in SEO. Trust me, I personally use on my most of my websites, because if I open any blog post, let me show you. Let me open my any blog post, click edit. So if I scroll down, I will able to show you how link whisper works. So here is the option for the from the link whisper, and it will suggest you have to link some of the blog posts in this particular article. So just you have to do, it's very easy, just you have to do this copy icon here and it will copy the link. You will able to copy the link and immediately click here, scroll to text. So it will suggest you just to go ahead, add internal link here. Just to select the paragraph and click to add link here, and just to paste CTRL and V, the link it suggests you, and you copy. When you click this little icon, copy icon, it will copy the link, and you have to click here, scroll to text. It will bring you to the particular text. You have to, it will suggest you where you need to add the internal link. Internal link very useful when it comes to website SEO. So you must try this plugin as well. So if we go to link whisper settings, let's click on setting, where you will able to do setting. You want to ignore some of the words, you can add into the word list here. You want to term types of process, term post type, create link for, if you want to create link for post or pages. And then you have to select override global post during link scan, it will scan. And use ugly permalink in the reports, and monitor link changes, it will automatic monitor your link changes. In the Gutenberg, reuse blocks. So it will immediately update your link changes and suggest you the new links. This is very useful. So you must try out this one. And the number three plugin we have, I personally use for my website for SEO is Rank Math SEO. Let's click on Rank Math SEO and dashboard, where even in the free plan you will able to get a lot of SEO features. Nowadays, content AI is very popular in Rank Math, so it will help you to create AI content and also help you in SEO. 404 monitor, you need to enable all the modules. Some of the module will be pro, but most of these modules are free. If you're using BB Press, Buddy Press, Image SEO, Analytic, Link Counter, Local SEO, you have to enable all the modules. So let me show you with the Rank Math SEO plugin how you will able to SEO for your website, blog post or pages. Let me first open blog post, and where I will able to show you the features from Rank Math where you will able to do SEO. Let me edit any blog post. So here you will see two icons upper side. One is Rank Math, another if you enable content AI from Rank Math. Just you have to give instruction, choose tone, focus keyword and generate content. If I click on Rank Math, just you have to provide the focus keyword here of your blog post, click edit snippet, where it will show you how your website blog post will show in Google, how it will look like. So you have to provide the best title here up to 60 characters. Make sure this line become green, not red. So you have to type until it become green. So let me keep type. Yeah, here, exactly here. Just you have to provide these 60 characters, words. Then same in the permalinks. You have to provide website permalink or blog post permalink. But permalink automatic generate when you click save and publish your blog post. Description is very important for SEO. Provide up to 160 words for description. That's all. You will able to do SEO for your blog post this way. When you click on social, you have to provide image. Someone share your website link on social media. This is how it will look like. So now let's talk about the security. For the security, I use AIOS. So let me go to plugins, installed plugin. So let me show you the plugin here, all-in-one security. Let's click on add plugin so I will able to show you here. Let's search for AIOS. So this is the plugin AIOS, all-in-one security plugin. Let's go to the plugin AIOS, click on dashboard. So it will tell you how your website working, how your website strength is, and it will show you the score. The more score, the more your website will be secured. And then it will show you the security point based on different things. Change display name. It will help you to tighten the security of your website. Let's click on setting, and then you have to follow all the settings here. You want to edit your some files for the security. Firewall we have here. You have to enable firewall. Brute force, it will help you from brute force. Spam protection. Sometimes you see when you write any blog post, or you have just a new website, you see a lot of spamming comments in your website. So with the help of this plugin, not only it stop spamming, it will also help you in other SEO features with SEO features. File security, database security, every type of security this plugin has. And the number five plugin we have here, Snippet. Let me show you. Let's click on all snippet. What a snippet do? Snippet will give you functionality to add custom PHP or HTML codes on your website with a single plugin. Sometime you want to integrate your website with Google Search Console, and Google Search Console give you an HTML code you have to paste on your website in order to get approval or verify your website. This is very easy plugin. Just you have to click add new snippet, and then you have to choose what type of code you want to add into your website, PHP or content or HTML. Just paste your code, select the option you want to paste your code into header, display site header, or in the body. You have to select here and then save and activate. As you can see, I have a lot of snippet activate here on my blog post. And the another plugin I use for my blog post, when I write my blog post, search for TOC, table of content. So you have to install and activate. It will apply table of content in your blog post automatically. So if I open my any blog post, you will able to see here table of content. It will automatic create table of content. Just you have to go to this plugin. Let me go to setting and you will see table of content. Just click on it and you have to choose which type post type you want to enable table of content. You have a lot of options here. If you want to auto insert in the blog post, just enable it. Position, how you want to show your table of content after two or more heading presents, then it will show. That means you must have a minimum two heading in your blog post, then it will automatic insert. Display header label, toggle on header tags, and then we have a smooth scroll. Just enable it, and then you have option to adjust the width, alignment, enable wrapping, even to choose the font for your table of content, also colors. And then when you scroll down, you have option for advanced option, lowercase, and hypernet, homepage, category. If you want to show on the homepage or on the category, on the tags, you have to just enable it. And then if you scroll down, you have to choose which type of heading you want to include in table of content, H1, H2, H3 heading, H4. You can select here. You also can exclude any heading or any proper word. And then you have to check some other settings in this plugin. So this will help you to build table of content for your blog post. Now let's talk about the next plugin I use for my blog post here. Let's search for translate. And I use this plugin translate WordPress with Gtranslate. It will translate your website content in one click. Even you can select multiple language here. Let me go to my website, open homepage, and here is the icon to select language. If I select any language, I will able to show you, and it will automatic convert your whole blog post, even title, headings, into the selection according to the selection of your language here. This is very useful, trust me, because a lot of people they don't understand or some other language, they will able to easily switch to another language. You have to go to setting and click on Gtranslate, where you will able to adjust how this translate wizard will show or look like. You want to translate from language English, and scroll down, you have to choose the language you want to enable for your website to translate, so people will able to translate into these language selection and save changes. And the next plugin we have here, Ajax Searchlight. Let me click on this plugin. So this will enable advanced search system on your website. Let me open my website homepage. If someone search on my website like WordPress, it will start typing in the box WOR, and you will see immediately it will pop up the results. It called advanced search system. If you try out or check the basic search, and that will not work in the Ajax type. If you wanna something like that, if I enter WordPress, and it will also highlight the word available in these particular posts or the post relevant to this particular keyword. So With the help of this plugin, you can enable advanced search on your website. You have to just choose search in post type. You have to select and drag here what type of a website search you want to enable for pages. Just to drag it here. I have only enabled for the blog post. Even someone type any title related to WordPress, it will also search in the title if this particular keyword available in the title or in the description. It will find out. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it.